Welcome to this tutorial on how to see support and resistance in Moomoo. Support and resistance are key concepts in technical analysis that can help traders make informed decisions. In this video, we will explore how to identify these levels using the Moomoo platform. First, log into your Moomoo account and navigate to the chart of the stock you want to analyze. Once the chart is displayed, look for the Tools panel on the right. You can use the horizontal line tool to mark potential support and resistance levels. Support levels are typically identified where the price tends to stop falling and bounce back up. Resistance levels, on the other hand, are where the price tends to stop rising and reverses down. To find these levels, zoom out on your chart to get a broader view of the stock's price history. Look for previous highs and lows. You can draw horizontal lines at these points to indicate where the price has reversed direction in the past. Pay attention to how many times the price has tested these levels. The more times it has bounced off a level, the stronger that support or resistance is likely to be. Finally, as you analyze the chart, keep in mind that support and resistance levels can shift over time. It's essential to regularly reassess these areas as new price data becomes available. By mastering how to identify support and resistance in Moomoo, you can enhance your trading strategy and improve your decision-making process. Happy trading!